Have you ever wanted to view your Tapo CCTV cameras on your computer, but ended up frustrated with Android emulators that are slow, unstable, and prone to crashing? If that's the case, this video is exactly what you need. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through running the Tapo app directly on your PC using Windows Subsystem for Android. Let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Windows Subsystem for Android. From the results, look for the GitHub page that offers customized WSA builds with built-in Google Play support. Once you're on the GitHub page, scroll down to the Releases section. Be sure to choose a version labeled Stable. Avoid pre-release versions as they may contain bugs or unfinished features. For this demonstration, I'm using the 64-bit stable build for Windows 10, though the process is the same for Windows 11. Next, scroll further down to the Assets area. Download the package that includes Google Apps and does not include the Amazon App Store. This file is usually listed near the top and is provided as a zip file. Before proceeding with the installation, we need to enable a Windows feature. Click on the Windows search bar and type Turn Windows Features On or Off, then open it. Locate Virtual Machine Platform in the list. If it's unchecked, enable it. Click OK and restart your computer. After restarting, return to the zip file you downloaded. Right-click it and select Extract All. Open the extracted folder and find the file named Run. Right-click on it and choose Run as administrator. A PowerShell window will open and begin installing Windows Subsystem for Android automatically. Simply wait while the setup completes. When the Windows Subsystem for Android settings window appears, go to Advanced Settings and turn on Developer Mode. This step is optional but useful if you plan to install APK files manually later. Close the settings window and return to PowerShell. When prompted, press any key to continue. Once the setup finishes, the Google Play Store will launch automatically. Click Allow when prompted. Then sign in with your Google account. You now have access to Android apps on your PC. To continue, search for Tapo in the Play Store. Install the app and wait for the download to complete. After installation, launch the Tapo app from the Play Store or directly from the Windows Start menu. Sign in using your Tapo account. And your connected cameras will appear. You can now view your Tapo CCTV live feed on your PC, running smoothly without the issues commonly associated with emulators. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you have any questions or encounter any problems, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.